Hello, in this tutorial we'll introduce you to blocks and dimensioning protocols in DesignBuilder. During the tutorial we will show you how to draw blocks, understand dimensioning protocols, and use direction snaps and drawing guides. You can import geometry from tools like BIM or other simulation tools, but we will focus here on creating geometry in DesignBuilder.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.